Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You know, I'm located in Portland, Oregon, and we here we are having we had a snowstorm and ice storm, so we'll be inside the house for almost 1 week. 1 week, right? Yeah, it's going to be 1 week tomorrow. Yes, it's going to be 1 week tomorrow. So yeah, with that said, actually, if you've been with me since the very beginning, you know, this channel's name was a perturbed moment before. But it's a new year, so I want to officially introduce the new name of my channel. So, welcome to Tangoing the Kitchen. And with that, let's go into the content from today. See you soon. Oh, actually, before I forget, see you enjoying the video of today, don't forget to tap the like button and tap the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now let's cook.